Today we are going to discuss about pronouns in detail. So children, in this unit basically we will learn the subject and the object pronouns. You all know about pronouns, I hope. You have understood this topic in class 2 also. So first revise what are pronouns, then we will further discuss about subject and object pronouns. So pronouns are actually a word that replaces the name of a person or object, that is noun. Children, you all know what are nouns. Nouns means naming words. Name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So the word which replaces the name of a person or object, that word is known as pronouns. So pronouns are the words used in place of nouns, and it does the work of noun also. It not only used instead of nouns, pronouns are not only used instead of nouns, it also does the work of a noun. Okay, as we have seen in the previous slide, that paragraph, right? The word Ram was repeating again and again in the sentence. So what we have done to beautify that paragraph, we have used he. He has replaced the noun Ram. Okay, and then the sentences are very much pleasing to read, right? So the pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. Okay. Here are some examples like I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. So children, I hope you know where to use she or her. She or her is used where there is a name of a girl, where we are talking about feminine gender. Okay. And he is used when we are talking about masculine gender, when we are talking about boy, right? He and his, right? And where we use them and they when there is more than one, it is a plural pronoun, right? And where we use it when we are talking about any object or any animal name, right? So we use it over there. Next is, here are some pronouns over here like I. When I am talking about myself, I will use I pronoun. Okay, you, he, we is plural pronoun, it, she, they. So I'll tell you about singular and plural pronouns also. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, you very well know now, and singular pronouns take the place of singular nouns only. When we are talking about one boy like Ram, so what we have used? We have used he. If it may be that girl name like Rama, so we will use she. So always use singular pronouns in place of singular nouns. If you want to use any pronoun over there in place of singular nouns, we will always use singular pronouns only. And then plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns. Suppose we are talking about like Ram and Jaya are going to market. So what we will write again? They are roaming in the market. Okay, now Ram and Jaya, instead of Ram and Jaya, what I have used? I have used plural pronoun. I have not used he and he are going to market. No, I have used a plural pronoun, right? So for the plural nouns, we will use plural pronouns only. Like suppose I and Shama are going to school. So now again in the next line I can say we are going to school. Yeah, we are going to teach our children, right? So in place of I and Shama, I have used we over there because I am talking about two ladies, right? So I'll use plural pronouns. Okay, now next is, here are some singular and plural pronouns. Like in first person, if I am talking about myself, I'll use I. And if I talking about me and some other person also, then I'll use we. You is remain the same, you in plural also, and if it is he, she, in it, that is the third person, it will become they. Okay. Now next is, what are pronouns, as I have said, and how many types of pronouns are there? Pronouns are the words that take place of nouns, right? And there are two major types of pronouns. There are subject pronouns and there are object pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are subject pronouns, and me, you, him, her, it, us, and them are object pronouns. So we will discuss about it in detail now.